There's a nice New Holland L170. Fully operation, fully functional. Remember, Tam Asset Auctions is your skid steer headquarters. Need a nice little machine at a reasonable price? Check us out. They're all for sale.